Meow. Meow. Meow.
This dog's scary.
What is meow? It's a dance beat.
Show people how lovely day it is.
This is England on a nice day.
This is best day probably we've had.
We've got some chavs over there. Let's go annoy them. Yo guys, how you doing? How you doing, son? How you doing? How you think you do? What are you doing to me, man? How you doing? Say hi. How you doing? Bitch. What are you saying to me? Bitch. Where are you trying to
This is a rare species of dodo bird.
Here we have is a rare species of the JoJo bird.
Camera bombs! Hi.
That's racist.
How's it racist?
Come on.
That's racist.
Like, how can you make this gay?
What are you doing? I say the rare species of the dodo bird. And you can say he's a bit tenderized.
What are you doing to me?
Say YouTube.
YouTube, what are you doing?
Say hi.
Hi YouTube, what are you doing?
Joe kicks balls around!
What are you doing to me, Michael? Oh my god!
That's rude. That's just so mean. Come on, let's go. No! Let's go get Ollie.
Max, I need help.
Hi Max!
What animal is that?
That is the only one. Are you recording?
Yeah, it's on
It's on my YouTube channel.
Hello! I'm his friend!
He's one of my best friends.
That
It's not filled, so
Here we have. Here's the chavs. They slit their wrists. Shh. Whose is this?
Tiger.
Hey, a tiger!
Whose is that?
Which part of his body should I
Here we get that.
This is
Retarded intros by Max Fleet, right?
.com/porn.
In a world full of despair,
And clouds.
there was a guy called Grace. There was a dodo bird called Joe. He just got fucked up.
Pork.
What was that?
Pork.
You say we should go that way?
I always should kill the dodo bird.
Jojo bird. Or like this. Oh, I got in my ear! I'm secretly recording.
Max's camera!
What? We got.
Meow.
Meow. Woof.
Watch out,
Willie!
That's a pretty messed up cat.
Yeah, I'm a cat! Woof! I'm a cat!
Oh!
Oh my god.
Leo, Leo.
Grass.
Bye.